how does supporting your client relevant to patient selection? In terms of, there's been a lot of information communication out there, and you even look at COVID, right? In terms of different minorities or different ethnicities being affected differently from the virus. So how do you help companies in terms of selection of patient population and that criteria, and making sure that balance there in terms of the total value of the outcomes that the study brings?
Absolutely. So the benefit of IQVIA is, in addition to the CRO or traditional CRO components, right, we also have our IMS Health Group, right, which is the world's largest brokerage of healthcare data analytics, which is extremely important when you start looking into patient populations and site networks and figuring out, where it makes the most sense to set up sites, recruit, conduct the study, right, and which informs your study design. So we're able to tap in and leverage those data resources to be able to inform the things that you had mentioned there. And it's very, very high level, I know, but once you start getting into the types of data, I mean, you can spend hours, right, talking about
it's hard not to be, it's hard not to be high level, because it depends on the parameters of the study and what you're trying to show.
Absolutely.
What you're trying to evaluate.
Yeah. And it's global data too, right? So I think another big benefit of ours, just put simply, is we have boots on the ground and SOPs in really all major geographies, and are able to help companies run studies globally. I will say, of note, the one geography that we are more infant in building out our capabilities for at this moment is South America within MedTech, just of note. But we have done really strong work: US, Europe, Asia Pac, Australia is a really growing fast and growing market as well for MedTech. So
studies all over the world.
Yep. And especially when you're talking to companies that intend to go after more than one regulatory approval, that's important to consider too, right? Going back to, what does that partnership look like, and where does how far can you grow with us? I think that's another important thing to consider there, is the global footprint.
Hear me, would you speak to me when I open up? And I